Hello guys, today I'm gonna show you how to clean up the washing machine every month or every 3 months, it depends on. For me, I clean up every 3 months. So in order to do that, we need to open the cabinet over here and remove the liquid bin that usually for detergent liquid. And I'm gonna use a washing machine cleaner from Thai, and I bought it from a Walmart. It costs about $8 and I have 4 packs in there, so it's gonna spend me about $8 per year to clean up my washing machine. So I'm gonna cut and throw in this slot. So now I'm gonna throw in. This is the powder look like a blue mixed with white powder. Because of it is just only my family washing machine, so I'm gonna clean it every 3 months. But if a lot of people are gonna clean it, you can clean every 1 month. It's up to you. So I'm gonna toggle to self washing, and as you can see it's gonna use a 3 hour and 52 minute, and I click start, and washing machine should start now. I think that's it for the video. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.